So, we're starting again. At this point, I don't even call it a restart. It's more like an update. Minor bug fixes, same character. Like, I'm filming this in my apartment, which is crazy because I still feel like I just got here. Like, I bought things, actual things. A couch, a lamp, a random item I don't even need, but I felt it was necessary at the time. You ever buy something and immediately realize this was just vibes? Yeah. That's half of my apartment, by the way. But it's cool, because it's kind of like my new life starter pack. New place, new routines, new way of becoming a functional human being. And speaking of routines, I go to the gym now. Okay, I have a membership. That's a big difference. The goal is 3 times a week, but in reality, it's more like 2. Sometimes even 1. Sometimes I just go there and I just go back home because I already felt the effort. And I know that counts, mentally anyways. But when I do go, I'm locked in. Headphones on like I know exactly what I'm doing. I obviously don't, but confidence is half the workout. And honestly, I'm not even trying to be perfect anymore. Because perfect people wake up at 5 a.m., they drink green smoothies and probably enjoy that shit. That's just weird. I'm just trying to sleep more than 4 hours, which hasn't been going well. Because somehow every night turns into I'll sleep early today. And suddenly it's 2 a.m. and I'm watching something I don't even care about. Like, why am I still awake? What am I gaining from this? Obviously nothing. Well, except regret. But you know what? We're still here. We're still trying and still showing up. Even if it's late, tired, or slightly confused, starting again doesn't mean you failed. It just means you refuse to stay the same. And that's kind of powerful. Like, yeah, I didn't go to the gym 3 times a week, but I still went. My apartment isn't fully put together yet, but it's still mine. And maybe that's enough for now. Not perfection, just progress and small wins. Like choosing to try again even when you already tried before. And if you're watching this and you feel like you're behind, you're probably not. You're just in between versions. Kind of like me. Hell yeah. This is me starting again with slightly more effort and half the time. So, I'll catch you guys in the next video.